once you are logged into the OLS, if you look over here under the quick links, there will be a link for Class Connect sessions. You click that, and then at the top you'll click Create New Session, and you'll be able to create a Blackboard Connect classroom to go into. So there's different options. Probably for now you'll just choose Classroom. You can name it whatever you want. For subject, you'll just choose the subject. For the course, it'll have you choose a course. And then for program, I typically always just say none. You'll click Continue. You choose the date that you want it to start. So I'll just make one for coming up right now, so I'll be able to see it. You'll be able to invite whoever you would like to invite. If you are just doing one just for yourself to kind of play around with, you don't need to invite anybody. You click Continue. I'll show you all that information. You click Schedule Session. And then once you do that, the session that you set up will show up on your Class Connect session list. And then anybody who you invited will also see it on their session list. And then to get into it, you just click the blue link under session name, and you will open up just like you have been opening up for our meetings. So then you click, and sometimes it takes a second. And it will open up your room for you where you'll be the moderator. And from there you can play around with the tools. If you want to load a PowerPoint, you just click Load Content. Let me see if I can find a quick one here. Sorry, lots of lessons. So load content, find a PowerPoint that you have saved, and it'll load your slides right onto the page. So this also takes a couple of seconds. So this is just an example. This is just one slide. And then if you upload multiple slides, you just click between these arrows up here, and it'll allow you to go from screen to screen. Hope that helps.